Hey there, Oronoque Home Improvement. I hope I'm pronouncing your business correctly. My name is Danny Scott with Undertow Digital. We're a nationwide marketing agency. I wanted to make sure that I could get this screencast over to you to show you some tips and tricks on some techniques you can utilize to boost your rankings online and grab more of that higher ranking competitions business. So before I get started, I don't want to waste your time with this. I want to be able to give you as much value as possible. So by the end of this video, you see that I have some knowledge in this space and would like to move forward with my team and myself. Feel free to reach out. But if not, absolutely no harm, no foul. The only thing we ask is that you let us know what we could have done better to have served you better with this video. So I'm going to go over 3 things really fast. Very quick things, but very effective techniques that if you implement them correct, your rankings online will go up. So those 3 things are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. So since we're on your homepage right here, we can start with content. So what content is, it's going to be the actual texted words on every single page of written content. As you can see, you don't have a whole lot of actual written content on your page. It's going to also be the images, so every image that you have on your page, and it's going to be the images behind everything else, such as this. So when it comes to the actual written content, we do a minimum of 1,500 to 2,000 words per every page, every home page that we make per client. The reason why it's a lot more words is because you want to be able to pack in most likely around 15 to 20 keywords, like high-ranking keywords for your business, for your specific area on your homepage, since your homepage is typically 9 times out of 10 going to be the page that ranks when someone looks for your services. And so having a really effective, optimized homepage is how you're going to drive a lot more of that higher ranking business, as well as the images. When it comes to the actual images in the forefront and in the background, you want to make sure that those are all saved as the highest ranking keywords in your area. So whether that be Bridgeport deck services, roofing and siding services, Bridgeport, Connecticut, whatever it might be, that is what you would want to do for those images, because when the Google crawlers come on your site, they're also going to read the images as well as with the texts and whatnot, to make sure that your services are directly related to what people are searching for, and that way you can rank a lot faster. So the second thing I will go over is going to be citations. So what a citation is, it's going to be your business name, your business address, and your business phone number, as it is in the Google Map Pack section, as you can see here. So what ranks you higher in the map pack section is primarily citations. So the more directories you have your citations in, directories being like Facebook, Yellow Pages, BBB, City Star, whatever it might be, the more directories that you have citations in are how you're going to rank a lot higher in the map pack section. So I wanted to make sure that I could put that in this video. And so I have some of your competition sites pulled up right here, as you can see. And I'm going to use this tool called Ahrefs. So this is an online tool. It's a paid tool. I pay around $300 for my team and myself every month to use it. And what you can do with this is you can research your competition's organic keywords that they're ranking high for, their traffic, but primarily their backlinks is what I would like to touch on. So as you can see, I have your site plugged into Ahrefs. You have 38 referring domains, giving you 254 backlinks. I assume you already know what backlinks are, but just to refresh your memory, in case you don't, what a backlink is, it's going to be a link from your site to another site, or from another site to your site. So let's say you have a blog on your site, and you are talking about a similar product or some sort of siding or some sort of decking company that you utilize, and you plug them into your content. You link a link on your site to their site. That is a backlink, and those give you a lot more dominance online, which helps your site rank a lot higher. But not all backlinks are created equal. So let's say you did that. You put a piece of content on your site linking to another site, but that other site you were linking to was McDonald's. Like, yes, a McDonald's does have a lot of dominance online, a lot of authority online, but since it's completely different, completely irrelevant from your business, it would not help your site at all. It would actually do the adverse thing. So as you can see, I have your competition plugged into Ahrefs, and the cool thing, what you can do with this is you can actually go into your competition's backlinks, into their keywords. You can see exactly what they're using, and you can essentially use the exact same ones that they are. So as you can see, I have ADN Roofing right here, one of the top ranking guys in your area. So you can actually click into their backlinks, and you can see exactly the sites that they're getting the backlink from and the pages that it's linking to. And as you can see, these are all very, very relevant to the actual industry. So you have DMB Roofing Pros, you have expertise.com, you have dreamlanddesign.com, so on and so forth. All these sites are linking to their sites, and they obviously had a lot. I think it was 1,900, and I have a preferred roofing and contracting right here as well. They have 53 referring domains, giving them 704 backlinks, and all of that, along with a few keywords that they've plugged in, is giving them almost 400 organic traffic per month, compared to your 15 traffic per month. So I just wanted to make sure that I could present all that information to you so you can see the tools that I use, the methodology behind it, and some practices that if you implement them into your business, they will help you rank a lot higher online, either in the map pack section if you choose the citations route, or in the organic section. And they also play hand in hand. So the higher you rank in the map pack section, you rank a lot higher in the organics as well. So yes, this is gonna be the end of my video. Thank you for your time. Like I said in the beginning, if you found some value within this video and you'd like to move forward with my team and myself, feel free to reach out. I would love to chat. But if not, absolutely no harm, no foul. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.